Hi everyone, I am Nature Guy X46 and this is the Natureverse 4.7. Today we are learning about the Codryceps fungi. It's something you might have heard about, or maybe you've seen it in real life or on TV. By the way, this is yet another request given by one of my subscribers, Chelsea B. The Last of Us made this fungi famous, but today we're going to learn about it. So let's take a quick break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. Codryceps fungi is a genus of fungi that does something pretty unique amongst fungi. It not only infects insects or other arthropods, but it is also known to take over the creature's brain. Forcing the organism to do what it needs the animal to do. The fungi begins to wind its mycelium into the animal's body, but it doesn't just wind its way through, it begins to take over. This mycelium of the fungi is the part that absorbs nutrients, and it's where one sees the actual growth of the organism. It is not the fruiting portion of the fungi. Now, this organism not only feeds on the insect or whatever the host is, but it also has a chance of its spores finding a new host. Let's talk about one such fungi. Now, this one certain type of Codryceps is called the zombie ant Codryceps, and it was first described in 1859. It first has to infect an ant, but once it does, the fungi will eventually force the ant to leave the nest. The ant will then climb up above the forest floor, around 25 centimeters above the forest floor. Once up above the ground, the ant will then be forced to bite the plant in order to secure itself in place. Then and only then does the fungi reveal its true nature. The fungi's fruit bodies will then emerge from the body. These fruit bodies are what hold the spores of the fungi. Up above the forest floor, the spores stand a good chance of finding another ant to infect. I know you're wondering, well, what about humans? Well, for now, we're safe. Our body temperatures are much too high for them to actually infect us. It would be a very, very big leap for them to do so. Now, Codryceps just don't infect ants. They can also do the same thing to caterpillars, spiders, and other creatures as well. It's also important to note that one species of Codryceps may not be able to infect other species of insects. I hope that answers whatever questions you might have had, Chelsea B. To everybody else, this is Nature Guy X46 saying see you in the next one. Enjoy!